Yo, what's up, folks? We're back on the channel here with Brzezicki Brothers Performance, getting some work done. So we pulled the motor today and we're getting ready to scuff the engine bay to get it ready to flat black it out, and we're gonna paint the motor and got a whole bunch of stuff going on for you guys. So here we have it. We got the motor out today. We're about to put it on the engine stand. This is the engine bay. It ain't too bad. I need to scuff it all, prep it to black it out. You know, I'll have to tape some of the wiring. You take some of this stuff off. Get rid of the grit and grime. You see we got the front bumper support off. This is the front bumper. And we got the front bumper support, and we're leaving the fog lights off, removing some weight because we got the tubular bumper support. Got the Cobra intake off. Going to be for sale soon. The rad, a starter, had to take the clutch off to fit the engine stand. And we got a whole slew of trick flow parts that are going on. Got the headers off. And this is the little 302 5.0 fuel injected. My sidekick Kahlua. So there you have it. Wanted to give you a little update. What I've been doing, putting in them hours and making it happen. So till next time, hit that like, share, and subscribe button so you can see more. Till then, see ya.